Embrace a balanced diet for maximum benefits to the human body. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to leading a healthy and fulfilling life. In today's video, we will dive into the importance of a balanced diet and the incredible benefits it brings. So, let's get started on our journey to optimal health. Before we delve into the benefits, let's first understand what a balanced diet truly means. A balanced diet consists of consuming the right proportions of essential nutrients, including proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It's about making mindful choices and nourishing our bodies with the nutrients they need. Now that we know what a balanced diet entails, let's explore the remarkable benefits it offers. Remember, these benefits go far beyond just weight management. 1. Increased energy levels. When we provide our bodies with the right nutrients, we experience a significant boost in energy levels. This means more vitality to seize the day and accomplish our goals. 2. Improved digestive health. A balanced diet rich in fiber helps promote a healthy digestive system, preventing issues like constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It's time to say goodbye to tummy troubles. 3. Enhanced mental clarity. Believe it or not, what we eat affects our brain health too. A balanced diet fuels our brain with the necessary nutrients, enhancing mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function. Say hello to sharper thinking. 4. Strengthened immune system. A strong immune system is crucial for fighting off illnesses and diseases. By nourishing our bodies with essential vitamins and minerals, we give our immune system the support it needs to keep us healthy and protected. 5. Healthy weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is a goal many of us strive for. With a balanced diet, we can achieve this by consuming nutrient-dense foods while avoiding excessive calories. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Tips for achieving a balanced diet. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's discuss some practical tips to help you incorporate a balanced diet into your lifestyle. 1. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance ensures you have a variety of nutrient-rich options readily available. This helps you avoid impulsive food choices and promotes a healthier eating pattern. 2. Portion control. While eating nutritious foods is important, portion control is equally crucial. Be mindful of your serving sizes to avoid overeating and maintain a healthy calorie balance. 3. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink enough water throughout the day. Hydration plays a vital role in digestion, metabolism, and overall well-being. 4. Embrace whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember, nature knows best. Conclusion. And there you have it. By embracing a balanced diet, you unlock a world of benefits that can transform your life. From increased energy levels to improved mental clarity and a stronger immune system, the advantages are countless. So, let's make a commitment to nourish our bodies and lead a healthier, happier life together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on achieving optimal health. Thanks for watching.